Hello everyone. In this video we will be looking at the activity related to the subunit 1.2 relate. So basically in CBSE syllabus story speaker is given but it is not available for India. So we have this alternative of Inkle Writer in place of that. So Inkle Writer is a free tool designed to allow anyone to write and publish interactive stories. It's perfect for writers who want to try out interactive stories as well as for the students looking out to mix computer skills and creative writing. Inkle Writer basically helps the writers to tell interactive tales with the minimum of fuss. Inkle Writer keeps your story branching and organized so that you can concentrate on what's important, that is the writing part. So for this you have to visit this website inklewriter.com. The link will be given in the description box as well. So now first of all we have to create an account on this. So we will click on sign in. Now once you click on sign in, you have to click on this option create new account. Now you have to enter the email ID with which you want to create the account. And then you have to set a password. After that you have to click on register. So now you have been signed in with the email ID with which you have registered. You will get this message. Click on OK. Now here it is written untitled story. So here you have to write the story name. Let's say I write The Captain. This is the name of my story, and here anonymous is written. So here I will write the name. So I'll just write my name. Now you have to begin your story. This is the first section, and you can keep on adding the options. Bold, italics, all these options are present. You can make the text bold or italics from here. We can also add images. If you want to add any image, then of course you can add that also. Make sure that the image URL that you are entering has to be last. In the last it should have .jpg. Otherwise it will not pick up that link. Now I want to add image also for this story. So I'll just go to this image option, and here I have to enter the URL. So URL has to be from the web browser only. So like ship animated I have searched. If I select this picture, I click on this picture and then right click on this, copy link address, and this link address I'm going to paste over here. In the last if you find .jpg, then only this use button will become active. So now it is showing .jpg. Now I will click on use. So this is the image now. So now here we have to create interactive stories where we are giving choice to the user, that what the user wants to choose, accordingly the story will progress. So the default line they have given, once upon a time. So you can begin your story with that also, or you can just erase and start writing your own. So I will just write like, imagine that you are the new captain of a ship. Now as a captain, what you want? One option, you are taking the night watch, or second option you can add that you are resting in your cabin. Now if you imagine yourself as a captain and you are taking a night watch, then what should happen? So follow this option. And if you imagine yourself as a captain and you are resting in the cabin, then what should happen? So first we will link the first one. Suddenly you see a man swimming to the side of the ship, and the man wants to aboard the ship. Now again the man wants to aboard the ship, so you are having two options, whether you will allow him or you will not allow him. So here you can add one more option, allow him on the ship, and next option, don't allow him. Now you are taking night watch, so this is the option. It is showing one loose end because one you are resting, we have not linked this. So right now let us see this part first and then we will link this one. Now allow him on the ship, don't allow him on the ship. Now if you allow him, then what you want? The captain talks to him and learns that the man was under arrest on his own ship and escaped. Now if you don't allow him on the ship, then so you click don't allow him, you click over here, and if you don't allow, then you just keep on sailing, collect treasure from the island and return home. And after this you want the story to end, so we'll not add any section. Now let us see the loose ends over here. This is the loose end, you are resting, so just click on this. Suddenly you hear people on the ship shouting. So suddenly you hear shouting. Now you want to join this with any existing paragraph, that after this next what happens, so you can join it, or if you want to add option. So now suddenly you hear people shouting. Here I'll just add option. First option is you ignore it. Now if you ignore it, then what will happen? The ship drowns, everyone dies, and this is the end. Next, if you don't ignore it, you want to add another option, go out and check. Then you find ship is drowning, and this is auto save, so there is no need to save this. You can see from time to time it is written saved over here, so it is getting automatically saved. So you find the ship is drowning, save it, then stop at nearby island, rest for some days and continue the journey. This is just an example, so you can be as creative as possible. This is just to tell you how to create stories on Inkle, how you can join it with any existing paragraph, how you can add images, how you can add options. So rest for some days, continue the journey, and then end of the story. Now let us see if any loose ends are there. Now allow him on the ship. Now when you allow him on the ship, then you want to add two options again. The captain talks to him and learns that the man was under arrest and escaped. Now after learning this, you want to add any other option. So we can add option like let him go, keep on sailing, and then you want to collect treasure and return home. So collect treasure and return home we have already done. So we will just join this to existing paragraph. So how you will join? So you let him go and you keep on sailing. After that, you find ship is drowning, you save it at nearby island, rest for some days and continue the journey. So this you can add. Continue the journey, then you can write collect treasure and go home. So this will be the end. Next, if option you want to add, then another option you can add over here, lock him up. And if you lock him up, then what you want? You just want to go home or return home, hand over the person to the king or prisoner and collect reward, and then end. Another option if you want to add, you can add ask him to join you, and then what you can do is again you will join it to existing paragraph. You find that the ship is drowning or captain keeps on sailing and collects the treasure and return home. You ask him to join you, so then in that case you can link this to two paragraphs. The captain keeps on sailing, collects treasure from the island and return home, or you find the ship is drowning stop at the nearby island, rest for some days and continue the journey. So that is totally up to you. So let's say I connect with this. So I will just replace you keep on sailing, because you are the captain. So you keep on sailing, collect treasure and return home. This is it. So now once your story is completed, you can also just review it, and if any loose ends are there or any paragraph is not matching, so you can also add, and to every section you can add the image over here. So now let us see whether any loose ends are there or not. After writing the story, you just have to close everything by clicking the reverse arrow that is placed on the top right corner of every section, and only this should remain, so that when your story begins, it starts from the beginning. So let us read and see whether anything is left or not. So this is the reverse arrow. You just press on this arrow and the section collapses. So let us go to the read mode. So when you go to this read mode, you will find the captain by whatever your name you have written, and then the story will begin. Imagine that you are the new captain of the ship. So you will get two options. You are taking the night watch, you are resting in your cabin. So let's say I choose the first option, you are taking the night watch. Suddenly you see a man swimming to the side of the ship. The man wants to aboard the ship. So now what you will do? Allow him on the ship, don't allow him on the ship. So let us say allow him on the ship. Then if you allow him on the ship, then what happens? The captain talks to him and learns that the man was under arrest on his own ship and escaped. Now what do? Let him go, lock him up, ask him to join. So here you can just add one question, what do you do? So you can again just go to this write mode over here, and here you can just add the question. Then again you go to the read mode. You are taking the night watch, allow him on the ship. Now what do you do now? So you allow him, you lock him, you ask him to join. So let's say I choose the last option, ask him to join you. So you keep on sailing, collect the treasure from the island and return home, and this is end. Now if I choose another option, let's say, just take another example. So you are resting in your cabin, let's say I choose. Suddenly you hear people shouting, go out and check. You find ship is drowning, save it. Stop at the nearby island, rest for some days and continue the journey, collect treasure and go home. So like this way you can just go back to the read mode again, and then you can just read the stories with all the options. So in this way, suppose a normal story book is there or a normal story is there. So in this there is a starting, there is a middle and there is end. So one book if you have read once, then again you will not want to read it. But here what is the benefit? That the same story you can read it 4 times and in 4 different ways. So the captain is the same story, but here it is having the middle part is changed and the ending is also changed depending on that. So the same story can be read 4 to 5 different times with different scenarios. So this is the advantage of Inkle Writer, and this is how we relate the artificial intelligence with the daily life. Now if you want to share this story, then you just have to click on this share, and here you will get 3 links. So the first link has to be copied, and this link can be copied and then it can be pasted anywhere on Google Classroom assignment, it can be pasted on MS Teams assignment, it can be pasted on WhatsApp if you want to share it, it can be pasted on email. So anywhere you want, you can just paste this link and share it with your teacher, with your friends or anyone, and the person will be able to read your story with this link. Now if you want to create a new story, you have to click on new, and then you can begin writing a new story. If you want to see the stories you have in your account, so you can just click on open, and here whatever stories you have already created, these will be displayed over here. If you have a story somewhere in your computer system, then you can import it also in JSON format, and there is a tutorial also. If you are stuck somewhere and you are not able to understand anything how to proceed, then there is this tutorial option. So here also they have created it in an interactive way only. I just want to pick a tutorial or I want to ask a quick question. So based on what you choose, based on that you will be getting the options. And if you want to sign out, then this is the option of sign out. So next time when you visit this, so now you just have to click on sign in, and because already you have created the account, so just sign in and just enter the email ID and password and just click on sign in. So you will be signed into your account. And this contents, when you click on the contents, you will see the paragraphs that you have created in your story. So this was all about this topic. Thank you.